A little bit hot water.
Okay.
And push here. The water goes up. Now the care time. This one is loomy, about 45 seconds. You don't care how much you put inside, but a little bit, not too much. Hot
Okay.
water, because coffee to need the gas, carbon dioxide. Just clean. Okay, now 30 seconds. You don't need this because not too much flavor.
Oh, okay.
Okay, turn on the skill and wait for 45 seconds, 90 gram hot water. 45. Em chị.
Là cho chị đi.
Vâng, vâng.
Đừng cho ngọt đấy.
90 gram. Did you see the first drop? Give you more sour and fruity. And now just wait 1 more minute. I would recommend you to try black coffee first. And before you mix some condensed milk and ice inside. Okay, 2 minutes. You press this and close this. And now it's slow down dripping,
Yeah.
give you more bitter.
Oh, so it's sort of like
Change
like
the
a
flavor.
French press
Yeah,
and
yeah,
pour
French
over,
But
sort of hybrid.
for French press, you press all of it. You all of it sour, bitter, everything
Yeah.
in the same time. But this one is
Yeah, because you're getting rid of that first little bit, right? So
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
okay. 3 minutes. Open this. And shake it. Put it back. Now just wait for drip all of it. Maybe 4 minutes and 20 seconds or 5 minutes.
Okay.
It's a perfect time.
Great.
Okay. Check. Okay. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Okay, now you just wait 20 seconds to wait the temperature cool down.
Okay.
Oh yes, you can try now.
Yeah, that's good. It doesn't have that like bitterness and
Yeah, you
Yeah.
can feel all.
So how much bean did you put in there?
20 gram.
20 grams?
Yes.
Okay.
Medium roasted is very important.
Yeah.
You don't want it dark roasted and you feel nothing.
Yeah, because dark roast, they over roast the bean. Is that what it like?
It's losing too.
Yeah, yeah,
It tastes bitter and people will think it's strong, but it's not. Caffeine was burned.
yeah.
Caffeine actually having more in the light roasted bean. But people feel smooth. But they get kicked up by
Yeah,
the
yeah.
caffeine
Well, that's
burns.
the first thing I noticed, right? Like I drank that, I was like, oh, it's not bitter at all. Like
And
no bitterness.
you feel some kind
Yeah,
of
yeah.
energy.